Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Chanel No. 5 is probably one of the most iconic and recognizable perfumes in the world, a timeless classic that has captivated women for generations with its sophisticated and alluring blend of floral and aldehyde notes. In this video, we will explore its rich history, unique scent profile, and overall experience to determine if it truly lives up to its legendary status and if it's worth the splurge. Number 5. Chanel No. 5 Eau De Parfum. Experience the timeless allure of Chanel No. 5, a fragrance crafted with the finest ingredients. It's the perfect scent for a romantic evening. This perfume is made with high-quality materials, ensuring a luxurious and long-lasting scent. It's a testament to Chanel's commitment to excellence. It's the ideal choice for romantic occasions, adding a touch of elegance and mystery to your persona. Let it enhance your special moments. This exquisite fragrance is proudly made in France, upholding a legacy of unparalleled craftsmanship and quality. Experience the French artistry. Please note that the packaging may vary slightly from what you see here. The quality of the perfume remains consistent. It's important to note that this item is not available for sale on Catalina Island. We apologize for any inconvenience. What we like? It's a timeless classic with a luxurious feel and a scent that lasts all day. If you appreciate a sophisticated fragrance and want to make a statement, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for special occasions or anyone who wants to feel confident and elegant. What people say. The fragrance is light and wonderful. This perfume had the richest smell ever, last for hours. Don't need but a little bit, we recommend. This classic, lovely fragrance of Chanel No. 5 EDP has been an all-time favorite that has not diminished over time. Expensive, but its smell lasts for many hours. Number 4. Chanel No. 5 Eau Premiere. Experience the timeless elegance of Chanel No. 5, now in a lighter, fresher interpretation. It's the iconic fragrance, reimagined for a modern woman. This Eau Premiere version retains the signature notes of No. 5, but with a more delicate and airy feel. It's perfect for everyday wear. It opens with bright citrus notes, followed by a heart of jasmine and rose, and finishes with a warm, sensual base. It's a sophisticated scent that's both classic and contemporary. The iconic Chanel No. 5 bottle is instantly recognizable. This version maintains that classic design, showcasing its timeless appeal. With its delicate yet captivating scent, it's a fragrance that will leave a lasting impression. Discover the new interpretation of a timeless classic. Whether it's a day at the office or a special evening out, this versatile fragrance is perfect for any occasion. It's the ideal scent for the modern woman. What we like? This offers a fresh take on a beloved fragrance. If you love the original but prefer something more modern and less intense, this is a great option. It's perfect for everyday wear and adds a touch of class without being overpowering. What people say. The fragrance is light and wonderful. This perfume had the richest smell ever, last for hours. Don't need but a little bit, we recommend. This classic, lovely fragrance of Chanel No. 5 EDP has been an all-time favorite that has not diminished over time. Expensive, but its smell lasts for many hours. Number 3. Chanel No. 5 Sampler. Experience the timeless allure of Chanel No. 5. This iconic fragrance is a classic choice for women who appreciate elegance and sophistication. It's more than just a perfume, it's a statement. Let its rich, floral notes transport you. The unmistakable scent of Chanel No. 5 is instantly recognizable. It's a fragrance that exudes confidence and timeless style. Whether it's a special night out or an everyday indulgence, it's the perfect way to express your unique personality. This sampler vial is the perfect way to discover this legendary fragrance. Treat yourself or give it as a luxurious gift. Indulge in the luxurious notes and let it become your signature scent. It's a fragrance that will last a lifetime. What we like? It's a great way to try a luxurious scent without breaking the bank. If you're curious about the fragrance or want a small bottle for travel, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for testing before committing to a full-size bottle. What people say. Great size and it smells great. Very traditional. I specifically bought this sample size to see if I'd like the scent. It didn't disappoint. I'm not mad at the cost either, I'd rather spend $25 on a sample to make sure I like it. If you're unsure if you like it, I highly suggest buying this sample. I liked it so much that I just bought a 3.4-ounce bottle. It's such a beautiful scent. No female perfume sells more than this one. It's simply the best. Authentic scent. Feminine and long-lasting. Number 2. Chanel No. 5 Low EDT Samples. Experience the captivating fragrance of Chanel No. 5 Low. It's the perfect way to try this iconic scent before committing to a full-size bottle. This sample is ideal for travel or to keep in your purse. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and enjoy wherever you go. You'll receive two 0.05 fluid ounces spray vials. That's enough to fully experience the fragrance and decide if it's right for you. Indulge in the luxury of Chanel No. 5 Low without the full-size commitment. It's a great way to test this exquisite perfume. These perfectly sized samples are ready to travel with you. Carry it in your purse or makeup bag for a touch of elegance wherever you are. These are brand new, authentic Chanel samples. Rest assured you're getting the genuine article. What we like? Get 2 samples to enjoy or share. If you want to try before you buy or need a travel-friendly option, this is a great choice. It's perfect for testing the fragrance and deciding if it's right for you. What people say. Convenient to carry in purse. It's Chanel #5, what can you say, other than it's an iconic scent. Requested by my daughter as a fragrance she enjoys. Number 1. Chanel No. 5 Eau Premiere. Experience the magic of Chanel No. 5, now in a lighter, fresher interpretation. It's the same iconic fragrance, reimagined for a modern sensibility. This is more than just a perfume, it's a timeless classic, given a new life. It's a lighter, airier take on the original, perfect for everyday wear. Discover a delicate bouquet of floral notes, light and airy, yet undeniably Chanel. It's a fragrance that's both sophisticated and effortlessly chic. The minimalist lines of the iconic bottle are instantly recognizable. It's a beautiful object that perfectly complements the exquisite fragrance inside. Indulge in the captivating allure of this modern classic. It's a fragrance that will leave a lasting impression. The perfect size for your handbag or travel. Enjoy this exquisite fragrance wherever you go. What we like? It's a lighter, airier version of a classic. If you are looking for a more delicate and modern interpretation of a timeless scent, this is for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate a lighter, more subtle fragrance. What people say. It is not one of those cheap perfumes that go rancid minutes after it hits my skin. Smells beautiful and clean. Used it many years ago and still love it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.